job to do in place of Sylvia.
Oh, Raul. Sweet, sweet Raul, you silly Billy. Need to work smart, not hard, pussyfoot.
Frickin' squatter.
Oh, fuck. Where am I? I think I know where we're at, little buddy. And I don't like it.
Hello, Misfit.
Nice to see you again, Silencio.
Misfit, what led you to trap yourself on this vessel? I have not a clue, but one thing is for certain. You will not escape me. Everyone on the ship has fallen under my dream mist. Everyone here will sink with you.
As strong as ever, but just as idiotic. Drillbut, if we're all asleep, go fetch Van Gogh. I've got an idea. Hello, I don't have time to explain. Come with me now. Okay, bye. Wait! Gonna have to try a little harder than this if you want my bounty.
Misfit, what the fuck is going on?
Just wake up, slap on me right now. Just do it.
Right now? What do you mean right now? Just fucking do it!
Look at the cameras, look at the cameras, look at the aha! Stand still so I can pop a cap in your ass. You ain't never laying a hand on my bounty.